Alrighty, you crazy animals. So another week is officially in the books for SoFi stock. And let me tell you, man, we had a pretty good day for the stock, up over 4.5%. And throughout the last week or two, SoFi's up. Actually, I think the last 3 weeks, it's up a lot. Let's just say that. It's up a lot. And we have to break down the charts and go over what I'm noticing on this one time frame that's really, really bullish. So guys, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube, and you might as well get up to 20 stocks for a moo. That's if you guys like free money with at least a $100 deposit. Simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%, which guys, that's not going to last because Jerome Powell, the Fed, they're cutting rates, which we'll talk about that in this video. So get on it, use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, let's dive into it. So let's get back to SoFi, which, whew, man, great day for SoFi and a killer last 3 weeks for the stock, right? So we can see right here, 4.5% green day for the stock today. And throughout the course of this week, guys, we've done pretty well. We started off the week at around, it looks like $7 per share in the pre-market on Monday, and we ended the week at about $7.50. You guys can see that right here. So a week gain of around 50 cents, not bad, or about 6.5%, and you guys probably know it's up way more than that off the lows from early August, which I think we got, correct me if I'm wrong, to $5.85, something like that. So we're up a ton off that point, almost $2 per share, which for a $7 stock, guys, for Pete's sake, that's a lot. We're talking, I think, close to 35-40% off the lows. And now we are noticing with today's price action, today being Friday, we pushed up to the highs from Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday, we closed on Monday at about 750. Opened on Tuesday at about 750. Then we dumped off on Wednesday, Thursday, followed by the pop by today. So we are noticing we're right by the resistance from earlier this week, which if this breaks, guys, we could see a lot more upside. So that's number one. And by the way, I also see a cup and handle. Do you guys see it right here? We have a cup. And by the way, this is the 5-day, 5-minute chart. We have the cup right here. Then we have the handle right here. You guys notice that. So if it takes out 7, let's say 60, a lot more upside could be coming. Let me actually set my alert at $7.60. One alert for now. And if I pop up this 20-day chart, let me show you guys this. We're noticing an even bigger cup and handle. This is what I want to point out to you guys in this video. So we have a massive cup and handle on this 20-day, 1-hour chart, which honestly formed as of this week, I guess you can say. At least the handle part of the cup and handle formed this week. So we got a crazy recovery, like I said, from 586 to where we are now, which kind of formed this cup. And this week, which I guess, yeah, we did go up 7% off the lows, but we pretty much had a consolidation week that formed the cup. Now, the way this plays out, guys, if it does play out, not guaranteed, but the way it plays out is if we take out this resistance at 760, boom, SoFi is going to fly in the short term, maybe towards $8, probably above $8. Well, I don't want to say probably like it's for sure going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen, guys. As you all know with SoFi, anything could happen. But yeah, man, keeping my eyes on this for that breakout. 760, 775. I'm telling you guys, we're pushing it. 5% green day today, and we might take it out potentially, right? And of course, I'd love to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments down below. And by the way, run the likes up, man. I challenge you 150 likes on this video. Can we get it? Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe as well. And oh, wait a second. Look at this. Inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame, which it's pretty obvious to me. I don't know about you guys, but look at this. If I pull up the circle tool, boom, 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 you guys see that right there. You guys see that right there. And now what we're noticing with this week's price action, this could be the right shoulder starting to form. So again, going back to what I said, we have a cup and handle, but now we also have an inverse head and shoulders on this time frame, and it all comes down to 760. If we take that point out, cup and handle on the 20-day chart plays out, and the inverse head and shoulders on this time frame plays out. So either way, guys, this looks really bullish heading into next week. $8 could be a target. Maybe we break $8. So my alerts are set at 760, 775, and $8 per share. And you guys know I own shares of Sofi. I've owned this stock for, I've lost track of time now. I think 8 months. Before this big pop in, December, I was buying the shares. We ran all the way to $11 almost in December. Before that, we were at $6, $7, pretty much where we are now. That's where I was buying. I also bought a little bit more throughout the year this year. But for now, guys, I'm in at about $6.80, $6.90 is my price. Average price target, or not price target. What am I saying? My average cost, guys, my average freaking cost is $6.80, $6.90, and now we're pushing $7.50. So yeah, I like the way it's setting up. Let's see if we get that pop and that cup and handle to play out. That's, kind of what I'm watching out for here in the short term. So let me break down these indexes quickly, guys, to see how we did today. And by the way, why did we go up today? It's because of the Federal Reserve, right? We know that they're going to cut rates. We've heard this time and time again, but now that Powell spoke earlier today, we kind of have that officially stamped, right? We got that stamp from Jerome Powell. We're going to get rate cuts. And I was reading, I think there's a 70% chance, or I forget from what source this was, but a 70% chance that we get a 25 basis point cut, and I think a 30% chance of a 50 basis point cut. I believe this was from, I forget the source, but a couple analysts, based on like 50, 100 experts or whatever. But yeah, we're going to get cuts, and guess what? That's good news for Sofi, right? It's very good news for Sofi and a bunch of smaller companies. I mean, guys, when money comes down, or rates come down, borrowing money gets cheaper in general for all businesses, and that really helps smaller businesses in layman's terms, right? It makes sense. So yeah, 5% pop today for the stock, getting to a big spot here, and all the indexes, man, went through the roof pretty much. Russell 3.2%, actually 3.2%. Nasdaq, S&P 1% each. Dow up 1.1%, and we have the VIX down 9.6%. So monstrous day for the market. Jerome Powell caused this rally, which, are you surprised? I'm not surprised. So what do you guys think? How are you, trading, investing these days with the rate cuts coming? Are you doing the same things you were, last month, a couple years ago, or are you, switching things up? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious kind of where you guys are at. And again, don't forget to get up to 20 stocks for Moomoo, guys, with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. So get on it, guys. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys for all the support as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.